find out. 26 different words which start with the letter C. This is how the alphabet C looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a look at our word list for the day. C for cat. Cat. C for cow. Cow. C for crow. Crow. C for camel. Camel. C for cactus. Cactus. C for cake. Cake. C for chocolate. Chocolate. C for candy. Candy. C for coffee. Coffee. C for coconut. Coconut. C for cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. C for carpet. Carpet. C for calculator. Calculator. C for corn. Corn. C for coat. Coat. C for cloak. Cloak. C for cap. Cap. C for cup. Cup. C for candle. Candle. C for camera. Camera. C for chair. Chair. C for cabinet. Cabinet. C for computer. Computer. C for clock. Clock. C for car. Car. C for cottage. Cottage. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.